If your Mitsubishi Lancer has rough idle, fluctuating RPMs, or mild vibrations at a stop, this video may help you. In this video, I'll show you how I clean the throttle body and related air intake components on 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer SE to reduce carbon buildup and help stabilize idle speed. Instead of cleaning only the throttle body, I removed and cleaned, where appropriate, most of the components involved in airflow into the engine. This included the air inlet duct, air filter housing, mass airflow sensor, air rubber duct, and finally the throttle body. Step 1. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. This is safer when working around electronic components. Step 2. Remove air inlet duct. Remove the two plastic clips securing the duct. Removing the inlet duct gives much better access to work. Step 3. Disconnect the electrical connector from the mass airflow sensor. Remove the two screws and carefully take the sensor out. Be careful not to touch the sensing element. Step 4. Remove rubber air duct. Using 10 mm socket, loosen the clamp connecting the duct to the air filter housing. Then loosen the lower clamp that secures the rubber air duct to the throttle body. Once both clamps are loose, gently remove the air duct. With the throttle body exposed, you can see the throttle plate, which controls airflow into the engine. As you can see, there is noticeable carbon buildup, which can contribute to unstable idle or RPM fluctuations. Step 5. Let's clean the throttle body. I'm using CRC throttle body cleaner that I bought locally for $17.99. I do not recommend spraying cleaner directly into the throttle body. This can allow debris or cleaner to enter the intake. Instead, spray the cleaner onto a clean cloth or paper towel and gently wipe the throttle bore, throttle plate, and the edges of the plate. Do not use WD-40 or do not scratch the throttle body surface. Hold the throttle plate gently as needed and clean slowly until the metal surface is visible and the plate moves smoothly. Step 6. Let's reinstall all components back. Wipe off any dust or dirt from nearby components. Then reinstall the rubber air duct onto the throttle body and tighten the clamp. Reconnect the other end of the duct to the air filter housing and tighten that clamp as well. If you don't have proper mass airflow cleaner, it's better to not clean with any other liquids, as it could damage it. Rather, I would wipe it gently using paper towel or cloth. Reinstall the sensor and reconnect the electrical connectors. Step 7. Reinstall the air filter, then secure the air inlet duct using new clips. Last step. Let's reconnect the negative battery terminal. Let's give a final visual check, making sure everything is in place. Okay, let's start the engine. It's -4 degrees today, so the RPM is higher at first, which is normal for a cold start. After a few minutes, the idle is settling down, becoming smooth and stable. Job well done. By no means I am a mechanic. Whether you decide to do this yourself or just want to be better informed before taking your car in for service, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.